Understanding the phrase, rat catcher, an English learning guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, rat catcher. This term has a literal meaning, but it's also used metaphorically in different contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, understanding such phrases can significantly enhance your English proficiency. Rat catcher literally refers to a person whose job is to catch rats. Historically, rat catchers were vital in controlling rat populations, which was crucial for public health and safety. It's a straightforward term: rat, the animal, and catcher, someone who catches. In history, rat catchers often used various methods, like traps or chemicals, to fulfill their role. In a metaphorical sense, rat catcher can be used to describe someone who deals with undesirable elements in society or an organization. For example, a person who is good at identifying and addressing problems within a group might be humorously referred to as a rat catcher. This metaphorical use is more about the skill of identifying and solving problems rather than the literal act of catching rats. The term has been used in literature and popular culture, often symbolizing someone who deals with societal issues. One famous example is the Pied Piper of Hamelin, a character in a legend who was a rat catcher. In literature, rat catchers often symbolize themes of control, cunning, and sometimes deceit. You might use rat catcher in a conversation to describe someone's role in a humorous or metaphorical way. For instance, you could say, "Our new manager is a real rat catcher, always finding and solving hidden problems in the projects." It's important to use this term appropriately, ensuring the context and tone match the conversation. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, rat catcher, and how it's used in English, both literally and metaphorically. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your language skills but also helps you understand cultural references. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.